nobody. I don't like to be the only ones. I've seen so many murder movies.
Yeah. But yeah, this place, yeah, you can come here without staying here
Yeah,
as long as you order drinks or food from
yeah.
the restaurant.
I mean, you may end up spending about 1,000 peso at least, right?
Yeah, of the
Well,
drinks.
actually, no. These two drinks is only 440,
We are, yeah, we're just talking
220
about the
each.
drinks, but the food, yeah, it's not gonna
Yeah.
be enough for.
No, what I mean is, according to this resort, there's no entrance fee. A lot of people come here as guests, not to stay, just to visit or make videos or
Yeah,
jump in the pool or whatever.
because
If you want to use the pool,
yeah.
it's 588 peso. The pool, the Bohol farm, where they take you, you can do your own fishing.
Hmm.
And then what does it include?
Include the kayak
Oh
and
yeah,
then
kayak, kayaking or
the
yachting or
fishing in the
whatever.
farm, whatever is
Yeah.
that, they will take you there.
But if you
Kayak and paddle boat.
but if you don't want the pool, or let's say you want to save the 588 because you're not into, let's say, fishing, we are not, then all you need to do is buy at least something. It could be drinks
Yeah.
or it could be food. We started with the drinks. This is margarita, and they have 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. half price drinks. Any drink according to the gentleman when he showed us, right? So from 7 in the morning till 7 p.m., which is great. That like covers the whole day.
Yeah.
All the drinks are half price. So I thought this one drink is 440, and the guy said no, it's 50%. So these two drinks are 440 peso.
Yeah, it's like buy one take
But
one.
eight, yeah,
Same thing
yeah,
also.
getting understand. I was trying to tell him same thing. I said that's like buy one get one. He
Yeah.
said no, it's 50% off. I said okay, you know. So yes, it's about what $8 for two drinks.
Yeah, yes.
That's reasonable. You come to a place like
And the
this.
food also is almost the same price when you get from
No,
outside.
they're not the same price. You always say like the same price.
Like what I mean is like this is
It's
the
slightly,
pizza.
it's higher. The pizza you can buy outside for 500. Over here is 800. So how can it be the same price?
Yeah, you're right.
Isn't it? It's not the same price, but then of course you expect a little higher price in this kind of place. That's what I mean to say.
But yeah, yeah, it is.
Yeah, but it's not outrageously priced. That's all we can say. It's not something that we say, oh, a burger is $20.
Mm-hmm.
No, actually, I didn't see the burger on the menu, but
Yeah.
yeah, but like average, I think is about $10 a dish, minimum. Going to the minimum side,
Yeah.
500 something peso. Going to the minimum side, I'm talking about is like $10, which is okay when you come to these kind of places. We are used to spending 500-600 a dish. Last night we just had pizza and something, and our bill was 1,300 peso.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Just one pizza, and what was the
Yeah.
other thing? You ordered carbonara
Yeah, carbonara pasta.
and two not alcoholic drinks.
We get the shake.
Yeah, so I'm just saying that was
Shake is like
1,300 also.
$4 or three
1,300 also.
something.
So over here, instead of 1,300, maybe it's 2,000 peso.
Yeah.
But you get to enjoy the scenery, the vibes,
Yeah.
whatever people.
Look at this beautiful view. But yeah, it is probably good in this kind of weather. I'm not sure if it's
You
raining.
cannot see my eyes, right? My eyes going like this.
It's so sour.
I like some.
So yeah, guys, you don't need to stay in this place.
Yeah.
You can just visit. It's really nice. Contra just sitting there in the Alona beach. This is more nice, beautiful view.
Yeah, I mean, if you come to Bohol, you are a tourist. I think this place is a must. At least just a few hours, like 3-4 hours, because that's what we want to do.
Similarity at Boracay.
Yeah, the difference is Boracay is very commercialized, meaning to say there's a lot of people. Which is okay with me. I don't care. I like people, so for me it's okay. But then a lot of people want privacy, like they want to be half naked on the beach. Okay, this is the place. You come here, you take your clothes off, just be in your, what do you call the bikini or underwear, whatever. Have your suntan. No problems.
Yeah, it is nice. I really like this place. Very calm. It's like everybody is so quiet. If you want to take a nap, you can really take a nap.
Wait, they want to get drunk. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm gonna get drunk.